Alright, so now we're going to talk about perfect square trinomials. These are special trinomials that are easily factored if you recognize the form. Okay, so if you look at this, we've got a squared term on the first and third terms. They're perfect squares, okay, for this one or this one. But also notice that the middle term is double the product of the a and the b. So if this is a squared term and this is a perfect square, then you take the square root of both of these, find your a and b, and the middle term should be double the product of a and b. If that's the case, then you have a perfect square trinomial. Okay? Now, if this is positive, you got two positives here, then this is going to be the sum of the sum, right? So it's going to be a plus b quantity squared. If there's a negative here, it's a subtraction for the first term, then it's going to be a minus b okay? And that's where we get a perfect square trinomial. Okay? Now you can show this is the case by just showing that, hey, this factors into a plus b times a plus b, right? But if you notice that, again, if you have the first term and the second term are perfect squares, and you find that the middle term is double the product of what a and b are, then you have a perfect square trinomial, and you can jump to this. All you need to know is what a and b are, and you're done. Okay? So if this is positive, this is positive. If this is subtraction, this is subtraction. That's it. We'll do some examples.